The concept of slowness may be a bad thing for us as humans, or we consider it a hindrance and undesirable description in our life, but the animal kingdom is not subject to our laws and does not recognize them, and there are a very large number of creatures, although slow, but they were able to adapt to harsh environmental conditions, including what is considered one of the most durable creatures on Earth, whose lifespan can exceed that of humans. Hello we will talk about the 10 slowest animals in the world. And before we start, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell button to get our videos to you first and to follow everything new. First, one of the stories tells about the anger of some fishermen because sea stars are constantly stuck in their nets. So they decided to catch a very large number of sea stars, cut them with sharp machines in order to get rid of them forever. And indeed, the fishermen did it and cut the sea stars into small parts and threw them into the sea. The strange thing is that after a while they were surprised by the presence of huge numbers of sea stars in the water. The number of sea stars increased in a scary way, which they did not know that the starfish reproduces asexually by chopping, so every piece they threw into the water would be a new starfish. And the starfish are very slow creatures, whose speed is estimated at 9 meters per hour. Surprisingly, it has many therapeutic benefits. For example, it is used in the treatment of strokes and the treatment of alcoholism. The American woodcock, or as it is also called the American ground hen, is one of the birds classified as the slowest bird in the world. Oddly enough, he makes the nest on the ground, unlike all birds that build their nests in high places. And the woodcock set a record as the slowest speed ever recorded for a bird, which is estimated at about 8 kilometers per hour. Thirdly, one of the very huge marine mammals, which reaches a length of 4 meters and weighs about 600 kilograms, is the manatee. And the manatee is considered one of the non-predatory animals that feed on herbs and ascends to the surface of the water every 5 minutes in order to breathe. And the funny thing is that the manatee has fins, but does not like to move them, and its speed is estimated at about 8 kilometers per hour. Fourth, one of the poisonous lizards native to the United States is the Gila lizard. And although its length does not exceed a meter and its weight does not exceed 400 grams, it is one of the very slow lizards, if not the slowest at all. And although it is a poisonous lizard, but the slowness it has very reduces its danger. The seahorse is one of the very small marine animals in size that is classified as the slowest marine animal in the world. Its maximum speed reaches about 0.001 kilometers per hour. The seahorse is considered one of the most amazing creatures in mating because it is the male who keeps the young, not the female. There is a pouch around his abdomen in which the female lays her eggs and he takes care of the rest. The cockle-less snail is one of the mollusks that does not have any external body cover. Its length does not exceed 8 centimeters, and it is worth noting that it is a bisexual creature, meaning that it can perform the role of a male and a female at the same time, and its speed is estimated at 3 meters per hour. The koala bear is one of the species of mammals that colonize trees and which very rarely it descends to the ground, and the koala bear is characterized by extreme laziness to the point that it sleeps about 20 hours a day. One of the strange things about the koala bear is that sometimes while climbing high trees he gets tired, feels dizzy and falls to the ground. The giant Galapagos turtle is one of the largest reptiles on Earth and sometimes weighs up to half a ton. This turtle can be up to 170 years old, and one researcher says it can carry an adult human on its back. It is also amazing that she can live for a whole year without any food or water. The sloth is a very slow animal, very lazy. The sloth has only 3 fingers in his hand and dwells on trees. Sloths have the ability to move quickly, but they prefer to move quietly, and the speed of sloths reaches 12 meters per hour. The garden snail is one of the snails that live in the Mediterranean countries. Among these countries is Egypt, and it is one of the very slow mollusks, which reaches a speed of 40 meters per hour. And the strangest thing about him is that he can sleep up to 3 years. It is also the one that is used in one of the French dishes known as escargot. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.